Okay, so I just stumbled upon this tool called lockenv that stores sensitive files securely. It's super CLI friendly.
Wait, really? So like you can keep your secrets safe in a way that integrates with version control. That's interesting.
Exactly, it encrypts files into a single vault file that you can commit to your repository. No messy configurations like other tools.
That sounds pretty convenient, but how does it handle the actual encryption? Is it secure?
It uses AES 256 GCM for encryption, which is industry standard, and the password is never stored. You have to remember it.
I love the security aspect, but that could be a bit risky if someone forgets their password right.
Totally, if you lose the password, you can't decrypt your files. It's a bit of a double-edged sword.
I wonder how it compares to other tools like git-crypt or sops. What makes it stand out?
Great question. Its main feature is simplicity, just one vault file, while git-crypt uses per-file encryption.
But wouldn't that be a limitation if you need granular control over different files? What do you think?
Yeah, that's a good point. It's best for small teams needing straightforward setups, not for larger infrastructures.
And what about setup? How difficult is it? I know some tools can be a headache to configure.
Setting it up is a breeze. You just run lockenv init and you're ready to go. No complex key exchanges.
So it's user-friendly, but how does it integrate with Git? Is that manual or automatic?
It's mostly manual. You have to lock and unlock files as needed, which could be a hassle but keeps things secure.
I guess it strikes a balance between security and usability. Still, it seems like a lot of responsibility.
Definitely, and it does come with some limitations, like only supporting one password for the entire vault.
That's a critical point. No per-user access means shared passwords could be a single point of failure.
Right, but the trade-off is that it makes things simpler for small teams. I see why they'd go that route.
Speaking of trade-offs, what about size limits? Can it handle larger files?
Not really. It loads files into memory for encryption, so it's not meant for large binaries over 100 MB.
That could be a deal breaker for some projects. I wonder how practical it is for everyday use.
I think for most small to medium-sized projects, it'll work well, especially for environment variables.
Totally. And what about their security considerations? Seems like they've thought things through.
For sure, they handle memory safety well, and sensitive data is cleared from memory after use.
That's reassuring. I've heard horror stories of sensitive info lingering in memory.
Yeah, that's a big concern. Plus, it doesn't store your password anywhere, which ups the security.
True, but I wonder about those who work with CI/CD environments. Can they still use lockenv?
Absolutely, you can provide the password via environment variables, but that's risky if not handled correctly.
Right, visibility in processes could expose secrets. They'd need to be careful using that feature.
Exactly, it's best in isolated environments and not for interactive use where risks are higher.
This really makes me think about the balance between convenience and security in software.
Agreed, it's all about knowing your team and project needs before choosing a tool like this.
So in the end, is lockenv a good choice for small teams, or are there better options?
I'd say it's a solid choice for simplicity and security, but larger teams might want more control.
That makes sense. It's like finding the right tool for the job, depending on the team dynamics.
Exactly, and with growing needs, teams can always switch to more complex tools as necessary.
It's fascinating how these tools evolve with project demands. Makes me curious about future developments.
For sure, the world of software security is always adapting. It'll be exciting to see what comes next.
Right? And it's discussions like this that help us understand what to look for in tools moving forward.
Absolutely, I think the key takeaway is balancing security with usability based on team size and needs.
Well said. And now I'm left wondering how other tools will catch up or innovate after lockenv.
Same here, it'll be interesting to see how they address the unique challenges that come with evolving tech.
I love that we can explore these topics together. Makes the learning process feel richer and more dynamic.
Totally, and it's discussions like this that keep us curious and engaged in the ever-changing tech landscape.